Hi, boys and girls. It's me, Eddie McGrath, the Science Guy. I hope you all had a great summer. Here at EdTV, we've been busy in our laboratory, conjuring up some great science experiments for you to check out. Today is our first episode of our new show called Try Science. What is Try Science, you ask? Well, let me ask you a question or two. What do you want to be when you grow up? A teacher? An artist? A mathematician? A race car driver? What about a scientist? But not just any scientist, though. How about an ornithologist, a chemist, a meteorologist, an entomologist? The list of possibilities is endless here at Try Science. Try Science is a family science career series at the Delaware Children's Museum, where children and grown-ups, too, can do and see amazing things. Each month, we will bring you fun experiments. We will examine live organisms up close and learn the different science careers in an interactive laboratory. We do all of this to inspire children of all ages to become confident science learners. Sound fun? I know I sure am excited. So without further ado, welcome to Try Science. Hey kids, it's me again. Did you ever go for a walk and hear the lovely melodies swirling around you and wonder where and what was making those sweet sounds? Now we know there are all kinds of wildlife around us, and we're pretty sure those sounds aren't coming from squirrels or fish or even a great big bear. So then what exactly are we hearing? Can you guess? Did you say birds? Well, if you did, then you are exactly correct. And that leads us to today's topic of birds, or ornithology. Today, you will get to know more about our feathered friends through a variety of activities. We will use common household items to simulate how different birds eat, investigate a variety of different nests, eggs, and feathers, and learn some tips to help protect the birds in your community. We may even go on a bird-watching walk along the river to see if we can recognize the sounds of the birds we learn about. Did I just hear a black-throated blue warbler? Let's find out.
Everybody, I want to say welcome. Got a good spot for your armor there. I'm glad there's an extra chair. Thank you guys so much for coming to Ornithology. So, first question I want to ask you is, what are we going to be talking about today? Every month we do a science class, but what kind of science today? Can I have you raise your hand if you have something that you've noticed that we're probably going to talk about? Birdology, all right. I like how you used the ending of the word on the board here. I'm going to put birdology. The scientific name for a bird scientist or studying birds is ornithology. So let me write that first part there. I say go, you're going to stand up and you're going to walk around the room just for like 30 seconds. And you're going to look at all the different pictures of birds, all the different nests, all the different book covers, and I want you to think of as many different kinds of birds as you can. Blue jay. Egret. Robin. Think of more and raise your hand again. Falcon.
Owl.
Owl. Okay, hold on. I'm going to let our scribe catch up. Okay. Oh, sorry again? Robin bird? Ooh, robins, yes, yeah. Eagle, okay. Ooh, peregrine falcon, sure. Okay, give me some more. Think about different climates, hot places, cold places, birds that fly, birds that don't fly. Yes? Parrots. Oh, snowy owl. Penguins, was that yours? Yes, what else? Crow. Time.
I like to eat apples and bananas. I want to eat apples and bananas. I need to eat apples and bananas. Why can't I eat apples and bananas?
1 in 5 children struggles with hunger in America. Support the Feeding America nationwide network of food banks to help provide meals to those in need. Join us at feedingamerica.org.
All right, so this bird, it likes to make nests in tall grass. It likes marshy areas. In fact, if you go down to the nature center down the road, you often see them. It's a small bird, and it has a black body with red wing patches, and its name has to do with its color. Anybody have a guess? Red wing, ooh, that's great thinking. That's actually part of its name. Can you give us a squeeze? You just have to, ooh, okay, pull it out, and let's see if we can finish the name. Hold it up. So red wing, and what's the other color? What's the color of the body? So it's a red-winged black bird. Good, okay. All right, this is the Delaware state bird. It is also the name of several businesses and sports teams in our area. And of all the birds in here, this is one we probably will not see on our walk. Yes, what do you think? Eagle? Oh, the eagle. Okay, lots of guesses for eagle. Can you give us a squeeze here? You kind of got to move your hands around. What is that? Rooster. Can you pull it out for us? Pull that out. So this is the blue hen chicken. This is a blue hen. All right, my colors are gray, black, and white. I can be seen swimming in the water or eating grass on land. We've got some good guesses, I think. My babies are called goslings. What do you think? A goose, okay. What do you think? Ostrich? Okay, give us a squeeze. Duck. Okay, let's see. Can you reach in there and pull it out? Geese, geese, geese. All right, so we've got duck or geese. Let's see. All right, what is this? Hold it up high so everyone can see it. Canada goose. Canada goose. All right, now this is definitely one that I think most of you guys have seen before. I like to eat worms. First clue. You often see them in your backyard on the grass looking for those worms. And this bird has a black head, a red breast, and gray wings. Who could that be? Yes. Woodpecker, okay. Robin. Robin.
Holy smoke!
All right, let's give it a squeeze here. Down at the very bottom. All right, hold it up. It's a robin. All right. This bird has fluffy red feathers on its head. It's called a crest. Only the male birds are red. The females of this type are brown. And it is a small bird. So the males are red, they have fluffy red feathers sticking up on their head, and it's sort of a small bird. It's also the name of some sports teams. Let's see, give it a squeeze. This is a cardinal. There's over 9,000 different kinds of birds. So how do you know that that's a bird? Yeah, birds can fly. So most birds, many birds can fly, but not all. What else do you see on your bird? What's it covered with? Feathers. Birds have feathers.
Fortunately, I keep my feathers numbered.
This is a goose feather. This middle part of the feather is made out of the same thing as part of your body. Can you figure out what it is? Fingernails and toenails. This is called keratin, and it's the same stuff that makes up your fingernails and toenails. I want to show you something else. When we looked at the feathers under the microscope, you might have been able to see lines and then little hook-like shapes. When a bird flies and their feathers get all messed up from the wind, a lot of times they spend time preening themselves, which means they straighten up their feathers, and the feathers act like a zipper. So if you take the feather and you straighten it up, you can make it all smooth again. What do birds live in? What do birds live in? Nests. Where do they build their nests? Trees. We got trees, yep. On the ground, yes, you might see a nest on the ground. Some birds don't even make much of a nest. They just lay their eggs and hope nobody steps on them, yeah. Birds will use whatever they can find, even if it's some piece of trash. So I'm gonna put newspaper and bags. They're just trying to make a soft home to protect their eggs.
Will spend 15 minutes watching online videos like this one.
Brushing for 2 minutes now can save your child from severe tooth pain later. 2 minutes twice a day. They have the time.
Wow, so many types of birds. How cool is it that there are nearly 10,000 species of birds in the world, with only almost 900 here in the United States alone? With that many different species, it's no wonder why they all have different ways of eating and specific things they like to eat, similar to you and me. Now personally, I love pizza, but then again, I'm not a bird. Up next, you will see our little ornithologists pretending that they are birds, and you'll see how easy or difficult it is for our feathered friends to eat. Let's take a look.
All right, guys, it is time to get up and go next door.
Wow, what a whirlwind that was. Did you catch all the different ways birds eat? Well, then let's recap and see what birds do what. First up, worms in the mud. Now, what birds do you think like to eat this way? Any guesses? Well, here are two examples, American robins and the American woodcock. Next, which birds like to eat nectar from flowers? Did you say a hummingbird? Well, if you did, you would be exactly right. I love hummingbirds. Did you know that hummingbirds cannot walk or hop, though their feet can be used to scoot sideways while they are perched? See, these birds have evolved smaller feet to be lighter for more efficient flying. Now, how about those birds that eat hard-shelled seeds? Well, two species would be the white-breasted nuthatch and the beautifully red-colored cardinal. Next, we have the precocious killdeer and the black crow. They like to eat aquatic plants and animals. Now, I know I love to eat fruit from trees, but what birds like to do this as well? Well, one is the name of a baseball team, and the other is a funny cartoon bird. You're right, the oriole and the woodpecker. Caterpillars and insects are little creatures that can be found in trees, tall grass, almost anywhere for that matter. But can you guess two types of birds that feed on them? How about the red-winged blackbird and the eastern bluebird? Both colorful and wonderful birds. This one may be simple for you to guess, especially if you've ever visited a beach. Two types of birds that eat fish and other aquatic animals are storks and the ever-popular seagulls. Have you ever seen a seagull before? I'll bet you have. And lastly, do you know what birds like to eat insects out of the air? There are a whole bunch, but can you name two? Did you say the barn swallow? Because yes, that is one. What's the other? Who, you said? Well, you're close, because that is what the saw-whet owl sounds like. And that is another bird that eats insects out of the air. Wow, all this bird talk makes me want to go outside. So let's get back to our bird watchers as they take a walk to look for birds and other things along the river.
Can you line up at the door? We're going to get ready for our bird walk. Everybody come quietly over here. Robin sitting in a nest. So let's head down. We're gonna go all the way down to the end, right where that river part is. And I want you to look down in the water and tell me what you see. All right, we got everything.
Thank you, Sarah.
Wasn't that fun, boys and girls? We learned so many fun facts and fun things about our little feathered friends that you can see them all around you. And remember, you learned it right here on Try Science. Hey, you want to know a secret? You can be one of the little scientists that you saw in today's program. How, you ask? Well, just go on down to the Delaware Children's Museum on the second Saturday of every month, and you might see yourself on television too. How cool would that be? Well, thank you all for joining me on today's show. I'm Eddie McGrath, the Science Guy, and in the words of the famous writer Robert A. Heinlein, everything is theoretically impossible until it's done. Have a great scientific day.